always hear testimony, Sarah testifying that I bought a shirt at 30. I felt that it was so great, and they said that I have to buy it. I went for the whole salary and went and bought one shirt. Immediately after reaching home, I had a voice that I should give the shirt I had admired for long. He told me to give it someone. Meaning that the owner has given it to another person. For me, I resisted because I knew that it was my product. I felt that it was mine. And the person they are telling me to give, I saw that he was not worth of that shirt. Even if you give him a shirt over 1,000, he thanks you. I thought that I was sharing, I was multiplying the word of God. I said that maybe God wants to dress up this man. Let me go and buy him a shirt and a I went and bought a shirt, a trouser with a belt, and I brought them. Immediately after giving them to him, he again told me that give that shirt to Kanyanya. Minus even putting it on even. I had washed it and he tells me to give it to someone. I said let me go back to Gayaza. I bought another shirt, a trouser with his shoes. They are not even worth the a shirt, trouser with the shoes could not even cost 30,000. I got them and gave them to them. God again told me to give the shirt to Kanyanya. What does it mean that the more we receive, we even lose many? There are things that you may lose. Let's always struggle to be if the owner asks for it, give it to him. For your life to be yours is for God, give it to him. The man says that me and my house shall always serve God. He has given you power and is asking you to come and serve him, but you say that I don't have time. That they've read to us says that there is nothing you can do minus sin. It's the reason as to why you work and lose every day. We build and fail to sleep in houses. But we need to listen to the word of God. Until I say that let me put it on. Today I have to put it on and move somewhere. I had even got another money and I was going somewhere. Praise God. We even had a certain group, they had given me money and I had received my salary. I did not have electricity in my house. I was using a candle. I woke up early in the morning and because I was going somewhere, I put it. I counted my money and I put it into. I put some here and another there. I don't know how I dozed. I lifted up the leg and put it on the table as I was sleeping. I felt fire on the leg. The two groups that I have put there were burnt just partially.
Kakati nenkuba sente nzikiza omuliro.
I tried to put off fire from
n'omukono gw'essaati nagwo ne gujjiiramu.
Even the hand of the shirt got burnt.
Esente ziyidde.
The man had got burnt.
N'essaati eyidde omukono.
With the shirt.
Nengamba essaati yange yonna.
I said the whole shirt of mine.
Kangende ngisaleko emikono era nkyambale.
Let me go and cut off the.
Negitwala ku kyalaani.
I took it to the tailor.
Ne basalako emikono.
They cut off.
Nengamba ngenda kugyambala.
And I said that I have to put it.
Olwamala ogisalako emikono gireese.
Immediately after.
Nengamba essaati giwe Kanyaanya.
He told me to give the shirt to Kanyaanya.
Konze kanejjeko ekibambulira kino.
Then I decided to take away the burden from me.
N'ekitwala ewa Kanyaanya nengamba kwata essaati yo.
I took the shirt to Kanyaanya and told him, get your shirt.
Bwenjiwa asula ku kkubo bw'anywa omwenge yeekolera emirimu.
The person I was giving the shirt was even so alcoholic and could even spend that night alone.
Namuwangabiri nga tafaayo kulokoka.
I used to give him the other things but could not even get saved.
Naye olwamuwa essaati.
But immediately after giving him the shirt,
mwattu yajjirawo mu kanisa.
He came